Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a playlist in the SoundCloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the library button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the playlist button. And then click on the create playlist button. So first give your playlist a title. This can be anything. And as you can see, you can enable to make the playlist public if you want to. And then just click on the save button. And from now on you can add music. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.